Side. You know. The top building. Sir, sir, can you tell us something about the meeting, please? I'm from Notice Life.
We have not met him,
Okay,
so no comments.
no comment. Can you tell me something about the separate administration demands of the tribals? What is the reactions of the Home Minister during your meetings with him also and today also?
Based on the aspirations and the issues and expectations of our people, we have raised this demand collectively for separate administration, and we have gone to the press openly demanding for separate administration. We have met the Honorable Home Minister in Delhi collectively by the MLAs of our community, and now the ball is in the court of the government of India, and we hope some positive response will come out.
Sir, he has for 15 days with whole of the violence. If the attack keeps on going, if the attack is launched on us, we have to defend our land. So in this connection, what is your comment?
Yes, definitely. As citizens of this country, we have the right to live, we have the right to property, we have the right to defense as per the law of the land.
Yes, sir.
Yes, obviously. Thank you.
Thank you.